Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Lexus ES350 battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. This prevents accidental movement or electrical shorts. Next, locate your car battery. In many Lexus ES350 models, it's conveniently found under the hood, but some might have it in the trunk. Identifying its location is your initial step before proceeding. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start with the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away from any metal parts to prevent sparks. After that, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign. Loosen its nut with the same wrench and remove the positive cable. This order is crucial for electrical safety. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps. This ensures a good connection and prevents corrosion. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's stable and secure. Now, reverse the connection order. Attach the positive cable first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative cable, ensuring both are snug and secure for optimal performance. You're almost done. To protect your new battery and ensure longevity, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both the positive and negative terminals. This helps prevent rust and maintains a strong electrical connection. Once everything is secure, start your Lexus ES350 to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You might need to reset some electronic settings, like your radio presets. For more helpful tips and to check out some great deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.